welcome to the Quality Control Laboratory of NANZ Group. NANZ has its own in-house testing facility in the premises. The laboratory is capable to perform all kinds of chemical, instrumental and microbiological analysis being required for evaluating the quality of the product manufactured in the plant before being distributed to market. The area is maintained with required temperature and other safety measures. The laboratory is well equipped with all kind of sophisticated instruments like HPLCs, GCs, UV, IR, and melting point apparatus. The trained and qualified persons are involved in the testing of materials. PPEs are provided to the analysts to ensure product and personal safety.
The wet chemical lab is designed to carry all kinds of chemical testing being required for raw materials in process and finished goods. The inventory is ensured to be maintained for all required chemicals, reagents, working and reference standards. Class A glasswares are used for testing and are subjected for proper verification and calibration before being declared for use in the lab. All volumetric solution standardization is being done through standard procedures and are being labeled for usage in accordance with the established volumetric solution stability studies.
The QC analyst ensures for all time availability of chemicals and solutions in their validity period. The lab is equipped to carry out water sample analysis for all chemical parameters. The lab is facilitated with FTIR, UV, moisture analyzer, auto titrator, and melting point apparatus to support all kind of raw material testings. All the instruments such as pH meter, weighing balance, Carl Fisher apparatus undergoes daily calibration before being used in the testing. The trained and qualified QC analyst perform the analysis as per the work allotment. All the analytical records are thoroughly reviewed before a two-level review process before taking any user decision of material release. The analyst is first trained and then undergoes analyst qualification procedure before being allowed to do any kind of analysis on the HPLC.
The QC lab is equipped with 4 Waters HPLC systems. All the systems are fully compliant to 21 CFR Part 11. Validation performed for user management, access controls, password policies, data management, and audit trail activation, etc.
The instruments are insured for required AMC with the supplier.
The column management ensures inventory, verification, and performance, usage, and decision for their destruction.
The QC laboratory is also facilitated with 2 Agilent gas chromatographic systems. The system is also fully validated to meet all the requirement of 21 CFR Part 11. Data management and audit trail is activated as per the compliance requirement. Calibration of the instrument is done in-house through respective SOP, but AMC is being ensured to check the periodic health and troubleshooting of the system.
Our quality control laboratory is also capable to do all kinds of microbial analysis in-house as required for the raw and finished product testing, water sample analysis, environment monitoring. Separate area is provided for microlab. The microlab sections involve activities such as media preparation, media disposal, incubation and MLT testing. The microlab is equipped with autoclave, incubators, laminar airflow, pH meter, analytical balance, sterile dress cabinet and fogger.
Design of the laboratory ensures with all necessary cross-contamination controls. Barrier contaminants facilities for MLT and culture handling. There are separate change room for entering routine microbiology's aseptic area.
Packing material testing lab is equipped with all required instruments, such as bursting strength instrument, vernier calipers, and micrometer for measurement. The test reports are being prepared and evaluated before releasing the material for use.
A separate area has been provided for hot zone, which is equipped with water bath, distillation assembly, and nitrogen assembly, along with required safety provisions. The hot zone is also provided with fuming hood to handle the acids and other hazardous chemicals. The hot oven is installed to dry the glassware after cleaning. Another dry oven is provided to do LOD testing of the materials or products. Exit doors are provided to have check on safety measures.